Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name's Neil, and have you ever ordered an item from Amazon and had that package delivered to an Amazon locker? I've not done this before, so I'm doing this for the first time in real time so that you can follow along. This is the Dad Delivers vlog, where we try new things to make your family happy. And the new thing that I'm trying today is to get a package delivered from Amazon to this Amazon locker. Put my Amazon app on screen here, but obviously you can do this from the Amazon website. I've just put it here because it looks good on screen. I'm gonna buy this. It's a 12-volt power supply for a new project for my son's bedroom, where we're gonna put lighted switches up on his bed. I don't know how that's going to go, but the first thing I need to do is to order this power supply. I know, I'm living the dream, but I think I've found just the item here. And the first thing we need to do is to click on add to basket, not buy it now, because if we click on buy it now, it will just send it to the last delivery address, and we're going to change the delivery address. So here it says added to basket. That's a good start. So now we can go to basket. We have got all the items we need, which is just this power supply. Don't want to go crazy, and I'm going to click on proceed to checkout. I've blanked out my delivery address. We're going to change that. At the bottom it says change delivery or pickup address, so I'm going to click on that link there, and under select a delivery address it has the last address that it delivered to, or your default address. We're going to go down here, see nearby pickup locations, and again, sorry for all the blurring, but I'm just focusing on the bits that we need to click on. And there is an Amazon locker near us. It's actually next door to a hotel, which is really close to us, so this is super convenient. I'm going to click on pick up here, and it looks like this works. Now, I've tried this a few times. I've had to make this video about 5 times, because every time I get to this section it says delivery location unavailable. Sometimes it says that the lockers are full, but this looks like it's really easy to have delivered at the locker, so we're good to go. There's only one delivery option, free 1-day delivery. I'm on Prime, but I'll click on continue. So we have the option buy now. Tick this box if you want this to be your permanent delivery address, and it says I have 3 business days to collect the order once it's been delivered to the locker. We are going to go ahead with this. I'll click on buy now. This is exciting, isn't it? This is the future that we all dreamed of. Order placed, thanks. And it tells me where the locker is, so let's do a time jump, and I guess we'll need to go to the locker. So it's a couple of days later, and I've got this email from Amazon to say my package is ready to pick up from the locker. They give you 3 days to pick up your package, and I've had an email every single day. This is the last day that I can pick this up. And I've got 3 ways that I can enter the code to release the door, to open the door to get my Amazon package. You can either use the barcode in the email, or you can type in the pickup code, or both of those have suddenly appeared in my Amazon app under your orders. When I type in the code or scan the barcode, one of these doors will just suddenly open. It's a bit like that scene in The Young Ones where they're trying to get their washing into the laundrette.
Oh, la-di-da! Look what I found in my laundry bag. All of Felicity Kendall's underwear.
And that's what's going to happen now. So to scan the barcode, there's a reader here that you just hold your mobile device under, or we can type in the pickup code number like this. I'm going to do this using the barcode. Which door do you think it's going to be? It beeped. Whoa! There we go.
Oh, that's the one that I had when I got mine.
So we have got our package, and we can just close the door. We got the power supply safely, which meant that I could do this IKEA hack to my son's bed with his light switch there. The link to that video is down in the description below. I am calling this a Dad Delivers success. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep this thing going. And right here is what YouTube knows that you are going to love watching next.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye!